We are now getting new audio clips from the missing Titanic sub. Here's the audio clip. This audio appears to be the members of the Ocean Gate submarine banging on the sides. At least this is what they're hoping, because this means they might still be alive. The banging sounds that you're hearing from the audio have been replaying every 30 minutes, according to authorities. As of right now, we're still unsure about what those banging noises could mean. However, the noises are coming directly from where these people are missing. We're also uncovering new things about the Titanic Tour CEO. He allegedly didn't hire 50-year-old white guys because they weren't inspirational enough for his company. He said he preferred to hire younger people in their 20s. These Ocean Gate expeditions have not been regulated whatsoever. As of right now, the search and rescue mission is still underway. However, even the Navy can only dive to depths about 2,000 feet, and this submersible just might be 14,000 feet deep. They've even reached out to private sector companies to try to find some kind of vehicle that can dive to these depths, and hopefully rescue these 5 people. I'll continue to give you more updates as they come. Stay safe, stay informed, and follow me for the latest travel news.